Hi. In this unit, we will learn about loop statements. Generally, loop means a continuous process or a series. In C programming, the use of loops are to repeat the code. Code will be repeated till given condition is true. In C programming, we have three types of loop statements. All these loop statements are very easy to learn and execute. Loop statements include while loop, DoWhile loop, and for loop. First, let us explore while loop. While loop statement starts with while keyword. While loops have simple syntax with a condition given in brackets. If the condition is true, program will enter inside while block. If condition is false, program will not execute while block. Start a new C program. Include headers. Declare a variable and assign some value to A. Here, we have already assigned our variable with a value 10. Now, let's check the variable value using relational operators less than symbol. Place relational operator within condition in while statement. Here, we know 10 is less than 20. Our while condition checks whether A is less than 20. Condition is true. Value in A is less than 20. Let's print a value of A inside while block. The value of variable A will not change. Hence we will be in an infinite loop. Program will print value of A infinite times. We need to change the value of A before while block ends. Let's increment value of A with 1. Now every time when while loop ends, the value of A increments by 1. So the next time when A enters while loop, we have 11. And condition will be checked. Is 11 less than 20? Yes. Value of A will now be printed as 11. On build, you will see the value of A will be incremented till 20. When value of A is 20, A less than 20 will become false. Yes, A is equal to 20 and not less than 20. Hence given condition will break and program will exit while block. Run your program and check output. Thus we have executed program using while loop. Let's look into another loop statement, that is, DoWhile loop. In case of DoWhile, we have to check the condition, as we have done in while loop. But the difference is, program will enter DoWhile block at least once, even if condition is false. Let's have a quick example. Include header files. Declare a variable, A with value 10. Let's start DoWhile block. Type do, curly brackets. Then, type the code to execute. Let's print I. After printf, increment value of A by 1. Close curly brackets. Now, give your while condition within brackets. To remember, to end with a semicolon. We have completed DoWhile block. You can see that we have given a condition after printf and incrementing value of A. Program will enter DoWhile block and will print I, then increment value of A by 1. Next, program will check the given condition. At first we had value of A as 10. After executing statements in DoWhile block, value of A is now 11. Now condition, A less than 5 will be cross-checked. Condition results false. Hence code will exit DoWhile loop. As our condition is at the end of the loop block. Thus it makes compulsory to enter the loop at least one time. Now, save program and run. You can see, even though condition was false, output was printed once. Thus we have executed DoWhile in C program. In while and DoWhile loops, we had two important aspects. 1. a variable, which had an initial value, and later we incremented its value. Second, we had block of statements to execute. Now, in case of for loop syntax, we initialize a variable. Then, give a condition to check, and third, increment the variable. Let's code a simple for loop program in C. Add your header files. Declare an integer variable a. Start for loop block. Initialize variable a with a value 1. Now, give a condition to check. Let's check whether a is less than 5. After condition, increment your variable or update your variable value. If condition satisfies, print value of a. In for loop, all three expressions, that is, initialization, condition, and increment or update, will not execute at once. First, program will initialize variable a with a value 1. Next, the condition will be checked. Yes, a is less than 5. Printf will print the current value of a, that is 1. Next, program will return to for loop. We have already initialized value to a and checked condition. Next, we will increment value of a. Increment a by 1. Now, a will be 2. Program will check the condition. Yes, 2 is less than 5. Current value of a, that is 2, will be printed. After printing, program will return to for loop. Value of a will be incremented by 1. Condition will be checked, is a less than 5? Yes, 3 is less than 5. Program enters printf and prints the current value of a. Hence, loop will continue until the value of a become 5. When for loop checks the condition a, that is 5, condition results false. 5 is not less than 5, but 5 is equal to 5. Thus, program breaks and we exit for loop. Save and run program. Hope you have output without errors. Let's now dive into another for loop example. Include your header files. Declare a variable a. Initialize an array with 5 elements. Let's add values in array a. We now have 1 in 0th array index, 2 in 1st array index, and so on. Next, start for loop statement. Initialize value of a as 1. Condition is true, a less than 5. A now has a value 1. Printf, my array %d. You have my array of 1. Also we have value 2 at first index of array. Hence value in first index will be printed as 2. Next, value of a will be incremented. Condition will be checked and block will be executed. Loop will continue till condition a becomes 5. Note that to print the first element in array, you should have my array of 0. But here value of a starts with 1. If you initialize value of a from 0, you can get the first element also printed. Save and run your program. Check out results. Thus we have executed loop statements in C. Hope that was cool. Thank you for taking this unit.